no extensions. You get the VMP video. You gotta look it up on YouTube. YouTube, go figure.
All the power.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Alex's house, and I'm here with Bobby, and we are installing a VMP Odin Supercharger Stage 3 on beautiful S550 2016 Performance Pack. Yeah, we're going to town on this car. We took the top out. Put the little cover there. Cover there. Sensor there. Gasket's good. Put the fuel rails with the injectors, FIC 1000s, and we're gonna go see on the video and see what's next. Probably going on the engine.
Alright, feel where the fuel rail is? Yep, yeah. Go hook underneath the fuel rail. I wish we had something to put on the fenders. Get over here.
The harness good over there, Bobby? Dude, this shit's tight in there.
Yeah, how are we gonna... We're gonna have to pick it back up to plug
no,
the
yeah.
injectors
In the video it says you have to lift it one side at a time to plug in the injectors. So, put the supercharger on there, and looked like the fuel rails were barely touching here. So we trimmed the tabs, but it was still kind of touching a little bit here. So we're gonna trim those down just a little bit, just to make sure we make some room, because it was still wiggling. So it's just a little trim and make some room.
Mine can drop straight down into the hole.
Boom. There it is. The gasket was fine over here.
Gasket looks good on this side. Everything good. Oh shit. You alright? Come down. Where's the middle clip? I guess it pops off. You alright? Yeah. Bad boy.
That thing was massive. Alright, so far we got the cover on, we got the bolts down, we routed the Evap, brake booster, and then we took the Evap out and we modified it, and it's already plugged back in there, routed, and back in here. Next is, I don't know, let's look at the video.
I drove by, I saw the Jeep, and I'm like, dude, is this your Jeep? He goes, yeah. He's like, I'm like 5 minutes down the street. I'm like, all right, well, I'll be back. Just had to go to call.
Turn right out of here?
Yeah, turn right. It'll be up on the left-hand side, maybe like a mile or two down the road. It sounds like a NASCAR, like race car.
I'm ready for the new
It's gonna be louder.
No, it's gonna be quieter. I don't like it this loud, dude. This is like, oh, you're talking about the block, the plugs on the side.
All right, so look at this. Look at this. Got the supercharger on. Throttle body's on. All the lines are routed. We just gotta plug them on.
Then I popped it over.
Got the heat exchanger on. And now we're gonna put the pump. Pull the pump. Whenever we find the 2 bolts that go here, and those 2 bolts are somewhere around
I
here.
was thinking about registering my car.
Somewhere.
I actually go, but then I have to drop it off to get it cleaned. I don't have time to switch.
Somewhere.
I mean, I like having both.
Alright, so we're still dealing with the coolant hoses. It's a pain in the ass.
There's a lot of people that like, you're not.
Bobby's going full send on them.
Paddles are pretty good.
Alex is over here working on half a seat still. I got here at 7 in the morning. We started supercharger. He started with the seats, and look, no seats. No seats. Oh, you got all that stuff on together already?
Yeah.
Now I'm just gonna start
That
putting stuff back.
was this ever on the car before?
No,
No?
it's brand new.
Not even like without the color or anything?
Nothing, brand new.
And this is bolt on, like this.
Yep,
This is
bolts on.
like it has the holes and everything for it.
Correct, yeah.
Man.
I had to modify it very little. But
That's just nice. It matches the color and everything. Badass. And like goes with the tank. You already have that covered.
well, we were in Claremont already.
Yeah, I thought so too. Drove so far fucking north. That thing is loud.
Well, it's gotten louder since you saw it last because that muffler broke in, but I'm waiting for my exhaust. So this is like a temporary thing.
It is loud.
Yeah, it's super loud.
Dude, you can't like hide from nobody. How do you even hide? That's like
Setting off car alarm.
oh. I was like, hey, somebody knows you. Nope. I get it 10 speed. 10 speed, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, man, that's the whole reason I switched to this truck was for the 10 speed, man. The other thing is, now that it's this wide, it's a lot less aerodynamic too.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm only on 8 pounds now. I was on 6.
Alright, so we just got back from getting some parts. And we're gonna continue with this mess. But check this out. Check this out. Alex got 1 seat in. And that is nice. Nice, nice, nice. Grom seats. And they're back here with a harness. Alright, so lesson learned as we're routing all these hoses. you have to make sure you use the Y's and create a go around the reservoir, because I guess the pump is too strong and it gets cut up, so you do a little bypass just in case, so the water keeps flowing through. Is that what he said?
Yep.
Pretty much.
Yeah, it cavitates inside.
And that's for the coolant hoses. But it's looking good. It's looking good. He's trying on his seatbelt. Is the right size in the back? You're not going anywhere. That's what the seat all the way. Is that as far back as the seat will go in the bottom? Yes. Oh, there you go. Now you need to adjust the back or no?
Dumbass. So what you have to mount your fucking doors upside down?
And I just took it out of the wrap.
Coolant hoses are done. And,
Alright.
Ready?
let me get out of the way, wait. Yep. Spray and spray. She is running. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now click X. Now go to your codes. Down, 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 down. Three codes. And clear them. No DTCs, clear. It's coming. That's it for today. Got there early, got a lot of stuff done, got the car running. VMP Odin Stage 3 Supercharger on the base tune. Gotta probably get an initial log, send that to them, make sure it's all good, and then the car's gonna go on the dyno. They're gonna do a dyno tune up there in VMP. Look for that. I'm gonna try to make it up there and make a video about the dyno and see how much power the car does on 93, and see what's the the most boost you can go on that kit on 93. Well, yeah, it's a fun day. Learned how to install a top mount. I was always kind of didn't want to do it, but it was pretty good. Learned with Bobby and with Alex. I mean, learned with Bobby because Alex spent all day putting one seat. Nah, just kidding. But yeah, it's a fun day. I got to ride in Nelson's F-150 Supercharged 2 with the Odin kit. That thing is crazy. That thing is crazy. And that's not even turned up yet, so look out for that. But yeah, he got the kit from Hardparked Performance, and if you want to hit him up, I'm going to put the link in the description so you can check him out. And I'm going to put the Instagram links for all the guys so you can, follow them, follow builds, and check them out. And yeah, hopefully, because I came to kind of record, but then I helped, and it's kind of weird to record and help at the same time. You might see this video, you might not. So if you saw saw the video, it's because I was able to put some stuff together, and hopefully it was fun enough for you guys. So if you did like it, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if I did a good job, if I didn't, if you like the kit, if you don't like the kit, what do you want to see about that car, what you don't. The car is tastefully made. I like it. I like the color, I like the bags, you know, I like the setup inside. It's got the brown seats now. If you saw the BMR bar for the seat belts, it's pretty cool. It's a good car. It's a nice car. And the kit, the Odin kit, that's gonna make a lot of power, especially when he goes on the 85 and high boost. It's gonna make a lot of power. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time. All right, peace. This angle feels weird. I just want to try it out. Yeah, I can talk from here, and if I need to switch, I can switch, and boom. Gap cam. Gap cam Rob, gap cam Marty, gap cam Bobby. Who wants the gap? No, I need to face it forward because I'm the one who's gonna get gapped. The thing is, it's not that fast.